this coupon?
Yeah. We're doing your car wash coupon.
Okay. There we go.
Here's the wash
Express
options.
service.
There's the wash options right there. Ooh, $40. $40 on the
We
wash.
just want to wash.
$37, okay.
$15 wash.
$15. And here's the wash menu. As if you'd like to read. 25, 20, 15, or 10.
Hey, we're good.
On it.
Just a regular wash for us.
Just the outside?
Yes.
Oh, it's $13.
Yep, and we got a $3 coupon too from you guys.
$3 coupon. We'll get a $12 wash too, Dad.
That's fine.
Total price will be a $12 wash, Dad. Yay. And this is a new wash menu.
Okay.
$3 off of wash packages. Cool. So you're gonna wash.
Yep. Thank you very much. All right.
Yes, got a $3 off on the coupon there. Got you to just wash for $12, Dad.
Yeah.
Coupons for $12. Full service expensive.
Yep.
And the automatic wash menus there too.
Yep.
He got a coupon. It's a car wash employee.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody's doing the hot wax. Oh, it's a turkey hot wax because it's Thanksgiving. Yeah. And the top washer gets some turkey hot wax. Get your turkey hot wax in there. I got you the wash package.
Let's see.
Let's open the roof so you can see the equipment. This is the Motor City Washworks. Motor City Washworks tunnel. It's still open. Hope it doesn't turn ice. Whoa.
Like my new wheel rubbing on that thing so much.
At the car wash. And the top wash not coming down. No, my top wash not coming down. I think the top wash is having an issue.
They just gave us a rinse.
That the top wash is issues right now.
We can get a super wash.
The side brushes. That happened. Top wash getting disabled because it's got your bottom wash. We got you the coupon. There's no top wash not coming on. That's strange. I think the top wash is having an issue.
Maybe maybe it's part of a different system or car wash selection.
Car wash selection.
Don't know.
Nope, can't brush on the top of the car. It's only sides. That happens.
We didn't get a buff.
No, needs to get a top wash. Get the buff. We'll get a top wash and get the buff coming on. Yeah. And we didn't get tower shine. Nope, we didn't get tower shine. Oh, no drying shine. It's just the bottom wash, I think. Yeah. Go. That is crazy. We're all finished.
Yes, we are.
I'm so proud.
Well done. You used your coupon.